So guys, kahapon, merong nag-comment sa Global Funds video ko. Sabi niya, pero bagsak din naman ang global funds right now. So, let's address this properly because this is where most people get it wrong. Hindi bagsak ang global funds. Okay, so what we're seeing right now is short-term volatility, not collapse. Kasi pag sinabi mong bagsak, collapse, di ba? Ang bagsak means tuloy-tuloy na pagbaba. Yun ang bagsak. Systemic yung breakdown niya or hindi nagre-recover, di ba? Walang recovery, walang fund recovery. But that's not what's happening. Markets, local or global, move based on uncertainty. And right now, yes, may pressure globally because of geopolitics and rising energy prices. Movement is not the same as failure. And volatility does not mean lugi. Volatility does not mean bagsak. Now, let's go to the very controversial question ng lahat. Is it still good to shift from local funds to global funds? Yes, it's still good. It's still a wise decision to shift from local to global funds. Kasi meron ako isang client, inalok ko siya na mag-shift to global funds. Sabi niya, tsaka na lang kapag umokay na yung gera. Okay, so earlier this year kasi, actually even last year, we encouraged investors to shift while the PSEI was performing well. No? For those who took action early, they were able to lock in gains. Nangyari, they repositioned at the right time. They are now benefiting from stronger global exposure. But unfortunately, syempre, hindi naman lahat trusting, hindi lahat moving based on strategy. Some decide based on their emotions. No? So, unfortunately, many chose to wait. And here's the reality today, guys. We are in an energy-driven crisis, fueled by the global geopolitical tension. And to be honest, this affects all market, pero not equally. Historically, global markets recover faster once uncertainty settles. Why? Bakit mas mabilis sila mag-recover? Well, mainly because they are more diversified. Diba? They are backed by stronger economies. They are driven by industries like tech industry, AI, healthcare, energy. Yan yung mga industries na pinag-iinvesan natin globally. No? Kaya kahit na may crisis, once na mag-settle down ang crisis, mas mabilis silang nakaka-recover. Mas mabilis nakaka-recover ang global funds. Now, compare that to the Philippines. Our market is more sensitive to oil prices. Actually, prior to this, hindi lang naman gera yung problema natin. We lost the trust ng mga investors. Why? Because of the politics. Because of the flood control project, di ba? So, mas ramdam din natin yung inflation locally. In the Philippines, recovery tends to be more slower and more prolonged. Ang tagal, ang bagal ng recovery, ang tagal ng recovery. So, hindi naman siya talaga yung which market is down today kasi well, probably marami talagang market yung down today. So, we have to ask ourselves as investors or as VUL investors, VUL plan holders, ask ourselves, which market is better positioned for recovery and growth after everything settles? Ano yung market na mabilis aarangkada ulit? That's why our recommendation remains the same. Go global. Because, why? Because it's more strategic. Diversifying into global funds is not a reaction. It is a repositioning move para sa mas malawak na opportunities, mas long-term na growth. So you see whether markets are up or down, one thing stays true, to me, global exposure in your portfolio is a long-term advantage. So don't wait for the perfect timing because in investing, the biggest regret is not the dip. It's the opportunity that you didn't take. So yes, go global, stay global.